babies, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking at my face for the very first time, my name is Sarah. So as you've read by the title, today we are doing something very interesting. We are going to be making my birthday outfit from scratch. So yes, I wanted my outfit from scratch to be something very simple for my birthday. Basically, I'm not doing a lot. I mean, I don't have plans as of yet, at least, so I don't know what I'll be doing. So I want something chill and very relaxed, very flowy, very comfortable. That's the vibe I'm going for. So these are the options. These butter yellow frocks. This one is worn by Deepika Padukone, I think, and this one is another butter yellow frock. I really like this, so that is what I'm trying to do. So butter yellow is the new color in trend, so I wanted to try and experiment with butter yellow. So yes, let's go. First we are going to go to nursing to see if we find anything. If not, I want to make it in a budget because I don't want to be spending a lot on a very simple outfit. Plus I just want it to be very comfortable, so I don't want to be spending a lot of money. It's a very simple dress, na itna paisa bhi nahi lagega isme. So I want it to be very affordable, adorable. I want it to be very affordable. So yes, let's go now. Me and my mom are going to go to nursing first. Let's see if we don't find anything budget friendly. Of course, nursing mein to it's difficult only, but to get an idea we're going. If not, we will see other places. Let's go.
We went to the nursing in Amirpet and we asked for any butter yellow materials, and he showed us this one. This was a raw silk and they also had different colors in it. I also like this pink one, but the yellow was looking much better on me. But since it was raw silk, it was 855 per meter, so I thought it was a waste. So we went to Secunderabad Cheap Jack instead. And this time I was very sure that I was looking for something cotton, so he gave me this material in butter yellow, and the same shop had also a tailor, so I thought I'd just give my measurements here. I gave my measurements, but I was dicey of how the fitting would turn out, but I thought nevertheless it's good to experiment sometimes, and I gave my outfit.
Okay, hello babies, update. I got a call from the tailor saying that it's done. Like after I gave my dress, after just 2 days he gave me a call that it's done. So I'm like really tensed. I am doubting it if that will turn out good because the neck is thoda tricky because it's still the top, right? Like I don't want the tailor to mess it up, but I'm really hoping it turns out good. Abhi I'm having some chores, so anyhow I have to go to Secunderabad side. So then I will pick up my dress and hopefully it'll look good. So let's go.
Okay, the entire trial was very disappointing because the dress was extremely loose, one, and the whole can look I was just not into. It was not looking cute. Plus, the neck I gave and the neck I got was very disappointing. So I told him to at least fix the measurement, and I went and had something, and then I picked up my dress. I didn't check it again there, but after I came home and I wore it again, I realized that it's still loose.
Okay, hello babies. I'm back from like the trial and I must say it was quite disappointing. Because the fitting was way too off. Like I don't know if I lost so much weight or he didn't take the measurements properly, but the fitting was off. Like it was way too loose. I gave him to get that adjusted, and after that the look does not match the picture. Okay, so I told him to make like a neck to thoda be upar, like as in the picture, like this one, but he made it a boat neck. I told him also ki I don't want boat neck. Specifically I told him I don't want boat neck because that is very common, right? I didn't want boat neck. I want thoda upar, like aisa straight cut is what I told him to do, but that was out of the window. Cap sleeve to phir bhi it was there, it was fine, and the fitting overall was not looking good, and he suggested to put can. I don't know why I was not using my brain. I said, chalo theek hai, it's fine, let's take it. Bolke, even I took it. I don't know what is wrong with me. Why didn't I use my brain? But yeah, that can was also a very bad decision because it was looking like I was a flower or I was in that Bridgerton series. Like my dress was this much. That's not the vibe I was going for sure. I wanted it to be very simple. So I don't know why I was not using my brain. Honestly, at this point, I feel like I was the one who was stupid. So yes, the can is also not looking cute at all. It's looking like I'm some 10-year-old child or something doing my birthday party. So that is out of the way. It has to go. So now mom to the rescue. So initially I gave that for like little alteration, and again I came home and I wore it and it's still loose. I don't know what was the measurement or what was wrong. I still have no clue, but yes, So the can my mom has removed, looks much better now, honestly. Now my mom is trying to fix that dress. Honestly, thank God for moms, because I don't know how I would have managed this. I'm telling you truthfully that I might not go for wearing this dress because it looks kind of disappointing. But as a chota mota somewhere, if I'm going, I'll probably wear, but not on my birthday. I don't want to feel sad on my birthday wearing that dress, okay? So no, I'm not going to wear that, most probably. So, but yes, let's see. After my mom comes, she told me, she just gave me a call that okay, I have tried to fix the dress, let's see how that looks after I come. So yeah, fingers crossed, like fingers crossed. I really hope it's fixed so that I can at least make use of it, right? But yeah, let's see. Okay, babies, that was the outfit, and I hope you liked it. Honestly, I feel like after everything, that outfit turned out really good. Little mishaps here and there, but chalo, it's overall looking good. So, yeah, I think the color is also looking really good on me. So, nice. So I thought I will come here and just give you a price breakup of how much the outfit was. So for the lining, I took 4 meters. It costed me around 666 rupees. And then for the yellow cotton material that I'm wearing, like the actual material, it costed me 704 rupees. And plus the stitching, it costed me 1200. So total, it costed me 2570 rupees, which I think is great for the outfit. I think it looked really pretty. And yeah, so I really liked it, and it was a little chaotic process, but overall I'm happy with the end product. So yay, biggest shout out to my mom. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is going to be the last video of birthday series. So it was a very nice creative process, and I enjoyed it. Also a little bit chaotic, but I enjoyed it. So thank you so much for all the love on the birthday series. From now on, you will see video once a week. So, but shorts will come up every thrice a week. So you will still see me around. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until I see you next time, bye.